Hi guys, I'm Marty, development chef for Tucker Fresh IGA, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sweet corn and chorizo fritters with chili, avocado and lime yogurt. Really important that you sieve your flour, guys, so you don't want any lumps in your mix. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and we're going to whisk in our milk. The secret to a good fritter is the consistency of the batter. It's got to be really thick. So now we're going to add in our sweet corn, finely diced chorizo, spring onions and coriander. We're just going to give this a good mix. So now that our pan's come up to temperature, we're going to fry the fritters and just spread it out into a circle. We've got 1 smashed avocado. We're going to fold our yogurt through this, finely diced red chili and lime zest. We're just going to mix this through, and then we're just going to flip the fritters. See, look at how golden and delicious they look. So here we have it, my sweet corn and chorizo fritters with avocado, chili and lime yogurt. Perfect to impress your friends with for a summer barbecue.